And that, ladies and gentlemen, is the Llandegla Mountain Bike Centre. I've been dropped off by the lads, they're off to do the red run. This is Llandegla. Well, I've never been down here before. I'm doing the exact same mileage as them today, but they're going to be going like the clappers. It's a secret little place that no one sees. Whoever comes in here. Little community shop and cafe. It's pretty nippy this morning, 6 degrees. I'll soon warm up. There's about 6 different roads to go down, I'm not sure which is which. Okay, it's not this way. Little ducks and everything. Are they ducks? Well, I'll have to keep a good pace on so I can meet up with them and they're not waiting for me when they get back. It's a couple of miles to the first bridle way, but I couldn't ask them to drive me all the way there. Anyway, these roads are lovely and it's all part of the experience. Beautiful Sunday morning. All the names are Evans and Jones around here. Strange rock formations. Very odd looking. Washed badger there, I won't film it. A bit horrible. Not sure exactly where it is. Here we go, it's this one. Computer says yes. Gnarly looking thing, isn't it? Oh, thank God there's a bridge. Oh my God, look at that. This is horrendous, I'm holding on. It is so slippery, it's like ice. Oh, look at the mud pit. Oh no. I'm gonna walk it. Oh Jesus. Oh God. Straight away. It's your own fault for coming in the winter. Oh, this is horrible. Absolutely horrible. Get some speed going here. Oh my God. I can't believe I'm getting any grip at all. Oh, look at this. What an absolutely brilliant path. Well, this is absolutely superb. This is a proper bridle way, this. Oh, that was fun. You know, I'm going to just go for this bit. Oh, that could have gone badly. I thought these were going to be tiny little paths. Take me about a minute to do. You cannot beat not knowing what's around the corner. Those power lines feel a hell of a low. The Clifford Byway. Most important thing about this path is there's a pub at the end of it. What a cute hill. I actually thought they were going to be a bit naff, these bridleways. I'm absolutely loving them. It really does feel like a footpath, but I can assure you it's a bridleway. Some kind of a smelting chimney thing, I guess. Yep. Those two bridleways would be fantastic to ride in the middle of the summer when the ground was rock hard. Random cemetery, no church, but there is a bridleway. Llama, 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 duck. Pretty sure I'm going the wrong way here. House on the hill. I'm going on my way to stay off roads, which are actually really quiet. But you know, they're so much nicer, aren't they? Could I make it across here? They're going to be as slippy as hell, and it's about 1.5 feet deep. Camera doesn't show it. I'm going to wimp out and take there because I don't want to get wet. Yes, it's been raining heavy this morning. That's quite deep. Did you ride across that? I can actually go that way as well as this way, but this is the best way. There's some kind of Neolithic stone around here. I don't think that's it. Well, it's been a good ride so far, but I don't want to say it. You know how things go. Oh well. Oh dear. Oh. I think this must be the way down here. Ooh, downhill. Very downhill. On wet mud. Oh, look at that. Isn't that lovely? Yes, beautiful. It's a bit of a contraption, isn't it? And is there any need? Big drop followed by big climb. There's bloody hundreds of footpaths. It's like a wet autumn themed roller coaster ride around here. Oh, I'll clean the mud off a bit, I guess. I opened the gate and it fell on me. Didn't get me, I'm alright. There you go, public footpath, bridal way. Oh dear. Well, I'm not getting through that, but you know what, I can just go another way. I've just said everything's going well, haven't I? That was a dead end, and now a giant puddle. I'm sure it's not that deep. I'll even go through it one hand. No think. Nice quarry for the local Surons, even though you're going to get banned. I thought it was downhill all the way, but now I'm climbing up again. I'm trying to come out. Go on, boy, you can do it. More footpaths. To be honest, it's probably the same one. I'm just crossing over and over again. Here we go, on our way back to Llandegla mountain trails. Yeah, the centre's over here. I'm going to pop out right by the kiosk where you pay to go into the car park. Hello, horsies. And look where I come out. And we all arrived back at the car park at exactly the same time. What are the odds of that? Thanks for watching. See you next week.